What if I told you that almost everything you've been taught about success, productivity, and personal growth is wrong? 99% of people are making the same mistakes over and over again, wasting years of their lives without even realizing it. But here's the good news. Once you know what these mistakes are, you can fix them instantly. And when you do, everything changes. Your focus, your results, your entire life. So stick with me until the end of this video, because I'm about to expose the 20 biggest mistakes most people are making and how you can avoid them. If you're ready to stop making these mistakes, hit like and let's get started. Most people wait for the perfect time to start, but the perfect time doesn't exist. They tell themselves, I'll start when I have more time, or I'll do it when I'm ready. But guess what? That day never comes. Successful people don't wait for the perfect moment. They start, even when they're not ready. Action creates momentum, and momentum makes everything easier. Most people think productivity is about doing more, but that's wrong. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. The most productive people don't fill their day with endless tasks. Instead, they focus on the few things that actually matter. If you're always busy but never making real progress, you're doing it wrong. People think multitasking makes them more efficient, but science says the opposite. Every time you switch between tasks, your brain loses focus and takes up to 23 minutes to fully refocus. That's why successful people single task, focusing deeply on one thing at a time. The result? Faster progress, better results, and less mental exhaustion. Most people think success happens fast. They see someone blow up overnight and think, wow, they got lucky. But what they don't see? The years of unseen work that led to that moment. Success isn't about luck. It's about consistency, putting in the reps, even when no one is watching. If you expect instant results, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Most people rely on motivation to get things done, and that's why they fail. Motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. The trick? Build habits that make action automatic. Successful people don't wait to feel like it. They create systems that make action the default. If you're relying on motivation, you're doing it wrong. Most people think success is about talent. It's not. The truth? Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Look at the world's top performers. Athletes, musicians, entrepreneurs. They didn't start as the best. They became the best by outworking everyone else. If you think you need natural talent to succeed, you're wrong. How often do you hear people say, I don't have time? But here's the truth. It's not about having time, it's about making time. The busiest people in the world, CEOs, athletes, creators, still find time for what matters. If you don't have time, it's because your priorities are in the wrong place. Most people manage their time, but successful people, they manage their energy. Time is useless if you're exhausted. If you're tired, distracted, and burned out, more time won't help you. Prioritize sleep, eat for energy, move your body, protect your focus. That's how you get more done in less time. Most people wait to see results before they believe something works. But the truth? You need belief first. Results come after. Winners act as if they've already succeeded. That belief fuels action, and action creates results. Most people spend hours scrolling on social media thinking they're learning or staying informed. But social media is a trap. It hijacks your focus and steals your energy. The fix? Control your consumption. Unfollow distractions. Set screen time limits. Use social media as a tool, not a time waster. Most people are so afraid of failing that they never even start. But here's the truth. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every successful person you admire has failed, repeatedly. The difference? They didn't stop. Think about it. If you avoid failure, you also avoid growth. The only way to succeed is to fail, learn, and try again. The faster you fail, the faster you improve. The real mistake is doing nothing. Most people think money is the enemy. They believe things like money is evil or rich people are greedy, and that belief keeps them broke. The truth? Money is a tool. It amplifies who you already are. If you're generous, more money lets you help more people. If you're selfish, more money makes you worse. But money itself isn't the problem. It's how you use it. If you treat money like a bad thing, you'll never have it. Shift your mindset and everything changes. Most people stay in their comfort zone because it's safe, but nothing grows there. Every time you avoid discomfort, you miss an opportunity to level up. Want to be confident? Do things that scare you? Want to be successful? Take risks. The most successful people in the world aren't the smartest or the most talented. They're the ones who are willing to be uncomfortable, Growth begins the moment you step outside your comfort zone. Ever feel like you worked hard for a few days, so now you deserve a break? That's a trap. Resting is important, but most people use it as an excuse to lose momentum. If you take too many breaks, you're constantly starting over. And starting over is exhausting. Success isn't about going hard for a week. It's about consistency over months and years. Keep going, even when you don't feel like it. That's how you separate yourself from the 99%. Look at the 5 people you spend the most time with. That's your future. If you're surrounded by lazy, negative people, guess what? You'll become like them. Successful people are intentional about their circle. They surround themselves with people who push them, challenge them, and make them better. Your environment shapes your mindset. Choose wisely. Most people think they have to figure everything out by themselves, but that's the slowest way to succeed. Successful people find mentors, coaches, and experts to learn from. They don't waste time reinventing the wheel. If you're struggling with something, chances are someone else has already figured it out. Learn from them. Read books, watch interviews, get advice from people ahead of you. You don't have to do it alone. In fact, you shouldn't. Most people waste hours every day without even realizing it. They check their phone first thing in the morning. They scroll for just a minute and lose an hour. They binge watch shows instead of working on their goals. Then they wonder why they're not getting anywhere. Track your time for 1 week. You'll be shocked at how much of it is wasted. Cut out distractions. Be intentional with your time. It's your most valuable resource. One of the biggest things holding people back? Worrying about what others think. They don't chase their goals because they're afraid of looking stupid. They stay stuck because they're scared of being judged. But here's the truth. People are too busy thinking about themselves to care about you. Stop living for other people's approval. The only opinion that matters is yours. Do what you want. The right people will respect you for it. Procrastination is the silent killer of success. The problem isn't that you don't have time. The problem is that you think you'll have time later. Later turns into never. And one day, you wake up realizing you wasted years. The fix? If something takes less than 5 minutes, do it now. If it's important, schedule it immediately. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. Most people have dreams, but instead of working on them, they keep saying, "One day I'll be ready." One day isn't a day of the week. It's an excuse. No one is ever truly ready. You just start and figure it out along the way. The difference between successful people and everyone else? They stopped waiting. They started even when they weren't ready. Take action today. Your future self will thank you. You now know the mistakes 99% of people are making, but knowledge is useless if you don't apply it. Pick one mistake from this video and start fixing it today. If you made it this far, drop an emoji in the comments so I know you're serious about leveling up. And if you want more game-changing insights, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. See you in the next one.